Hi, I'm Ellen Gormley and welcome to my channel.
Let's talk about adding a double crochet when you're adding a new color to either a piece worked in rounds or a piece worked in rows. It doesn't matter either one. If you're adding a standing double crochet. So this motif happens to be just a motif I had left over. It was in my Go Crochet Skill Builder book, but it's just for demonstration purposes. So I'm grabbing some spare yarn and I'm making a slip knot and placing my hook in the slip knot. So to join new yarn with a double crochet, you could, the old way, the traditional way is just to insert your hook and grab the yarn from behind and pull up a loop and chain 3. But then you have a chain 3 as your first stitch instead of a double crochet. Well, I like to have the very first stitch be a double crochet so that it looks like all the other stitches, not looking like a chain 3. So what I do is called a standing double crochet. So you place a slip knot on your hook instead of holding the yarn behind the work and pulling up a loop. So we're actually going to double crochet right away, right now. Now these are picots around the edge, but it's okay because if I were making this motif bigger and adding another round, say I wanted to place a double crochet in one of these, let's put it here in this double crochet between the picots. So to do a standing double crochet, I'm going to yarn over, hold it with my index finger, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, still keeping that yarn over on the hook, then yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So now the very first stitch looks like a double crochet because in fact it is a double crochet. It's not a chain 3 ladder. So that makes the whole work look more cohesive and it helps to hide the stitches better. So if I added another double crochet into the same spot, the 2 stitches are identical. Now notice that the tail from the cut end, the start end, is up here at the top of the stitch rather than at the bottom. It doesn't matter, we can still weave in that end just like we would any other end, but it's at the top of the stitch, which is nice because it tells you that you've done it correctly. So let me unravel this and do it again and show you one more time. I'd like to give a shout out to, where's my list of people? Where's my list of people? Okay, so I'd like to give a shout out to Sharon A, Andrea A, Yarn Addict, and Sharon D today. Thank you all for being subscribers and clicking that notification bell. So a standing double crochet, again, remember, we're yarning over, we put the slip knot on the hook, yarned over, holding that yarn over in place. I'm going to insert the hook in the stitch where we want to add the yarn, pull up a loop, holding that yarn over still in place. See it? Yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook. And that is the standing double crochet. It's used when you add new yarn and you want the first stitch to be a double crochet. I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe. The link to the book that this motif is in will be in the description box below, but of course you can always find it on ellengormley.com/the tab that says shop. And of course you can find it on Amazon as well. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe for more videos.